Physical properties of alcohols and phenols. First is physical state. At ordinary temperature, lower member of alcohols are colorless liquid with burning taste, and higher members are colorless waxy solids. Pure phenols are either colorless liquid or solid but turn reddish brown due to atmospheric oxidation. Next, boiling point, that is very important physical property. Boiling point of alcohols, that is ROH, are higher than hydrocarbons and haloalkanes. For example, methane CH4, CH3Cl, chloromethane or methyl chloride, CH3OH alcohol, methanol. Boiling point methane is 90 Kelvin, chloromethane 249 Kelvin, and boiling point of methanol is 337.5 Kelvin. Boiling point of methanol is higher than others. This is due to alcohols, that is ROH, contain hydrogen atom attached to electronegative oxygen atom. That's why there is a intermolecular hydrogen bonding in the alcohol. Due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, large amount of energy is required to break hydrogen bond. That's why the boiling point of alcohols are higher than hydrocarbons and alkyl halide, which do not form hydrogen bond. Next is the boiling point decrease with branching due to decrease in surface area. Boiling point decrease with branching. जैसे जैसे branching increase होती जाएगी, boiling point decrease due to decrease in surface area. Among the isomeric 1 degree alcohol, for example, butanol. Butanol formula is CH3, CH2, 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 OH. 1 degree alcohol, 2-methyl propan-1-nol. 2-methyl propan-1-nol, 1 carbon, 2 and 3 propan, और CH2OH, और इस पोजीशन पे क्या आ जाना, CH3 and CH3. It's 2-methyl propan-1-nol. Okay. Now in this case, the branched लिखा है यहाँ पे, the branched chain alcohols. यहाँ पे branching किसकी है, इसकी, that is 2-methyl propan-1-nol. Branched chain alcohols has low boiling point than the normal alkane. Alcohols. Normal alcohols. Butan 1-ol straight chain है, normal है, और 2-methyl propan-2 और branched है. Both have different boiling point. It is lower, branch का lower है in comparison to straight chain due to decrease in surface area. But the boiling point increase with increase of molecular mass. Like alcohols, boiling points of phenols are higher than that of aromatic hydrocarbons and haloarenes. It's again due to intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Next is solubility, like, dissolve like, polar in polar. Lower members of alcohols are soluble in water. That is due to, the solubility is due to hydrogen bonding between alcohols and H2O molecule. Lower members are highly soluble in H2O, but this solubility decrease with increase in molecular mass. Solubility decrease. Solubility decreases with increase in molecular mass. Okay. Then among the isomeric alcohol, branching अगर होनी शुरू हो जाए तो the solubility increases with branching. Solubility increases with branching. This is due to the reason as the branching increases, तो क्या होगा, surface area क्या हो जाता है, decrease, and hence solubility increases. Like alcohols, phenol also form hydrogen bond with water and soluble in water, but solubility is lower due to larger hydrocarbon part present in this molecule. Next, chemical properties or chemical reaction. Reaction involving the cleavage of oxygen-hydrogen bond. Reaction with active metals. Alcohols and phenols are acidic in nature. When it reacts with active metals, they form metal alkoxide with the evolution of hydrogen gas. ROH alcohol, when react with metal, it forms metal alkoxide and hydrogen gas. For example, CH3OH plus Na sodium, it forms sodium alkoxide. यहाँ पे मिथाइल है तो हम बोलेंगे सोडियम मिथोक्साइड प्लस H2, बैलेंसिंग के लिए यहाँ पे 2 और 2 और यहाँ पे भी 2. Similarly with magnesium, Mg, it form CH3, CH2, O, magnesium 2 positive, twice Mg plus H2, balancing के लिए यहाँ पे. It means these reactions suggest if there is evolution of hydrogen, these reactions suggest these are acidic in nature. Alcohols behave as Bronsted acid, means it can donate proton to strong base. What is the cause of this acidic character of alcohols? Yes, acidic character of alcohol is due to electronegative oxygen atom. What is electronegativity? Tendency to attract shared pair of electron more toward itself within the molecule. Oxygen is more electronegative and it withdraws the electrons of this bond. Oxygen-hydrogen bond. It withdraws all the electrons of oxygen-hydrogen bond towards itself. As a result, what will happen? Oxygen-hydrogen bond क्या हो जाएगा? Weak. If there is a weakness in between oxygen and hydrogen, then proton can easily be removed by strong base. If protons are easily removed, then it means alcohols are acidic in nature. But alcohols are weaker acids than H2O. Alcohols are acidic, but they are weaker than H2O. Why they are weaker than H2O? What is the formula of alcohol? Alcohol is ROH and water H2O. ROH and H2O, water. See, in H2O, oxygen is attached to two hydrogen atom, but in alcohol oxygen is attached to one hydrogen atom and one alkyl group. As you all know, R is alkyl group is electron donating. It increases the electron density. Electron density in it increases the electron density in oxygen hydrogen bond in alcohol as compared to oxygen hydrogen bond in water. इसमें R है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इंक्रीज हो रही है. And in other words, we can say oxygen hydrogen bond in alcohol is stronger than oxygen hydrogen bond in water. Why it is stronger? That is due to this R group. That is alkyl group, electron donating group. If this bond is stronger, then removal of proton, H positive, removal of proton in this case is difficult than that of H2O. It means alcohols are weaker acid than H2O due to inductive effect, positive inductive effect of alkyl group, that is electron donating group. Now 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol का अगर हम कंपैरिजन करें तो yes, 1 degree primary, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol differ from each other by the number of alkyl group. In this case, there is one alkyl group, two alkyl group and three alkyl group. Okay, in 1 degree there is a 1, 2 degree alcohol 2 and in 3 degree there are 3 alkyl groups present. Alkyl groups have positive inductive effect and it increases the electron density on the oxygen hydrogen bond. The electron density इसमें maximum होगी 3 degree, then in 2 degree, then in 1 degree में क्या होगी minimum. Now oxygen hydrogen bond in 3 degree is strongest. Why it is strongest? Due to presence of these 3 alkyl group. If it is strongest, then it is difficult to break it. If it is difficult to break it, means there is a difficult removal of H positive ion. Okay. Hence, most difficult to break this bond in comparison to 2 degree. But in case of 1 degree, OH bond क्या है? Weak है and it is easy to break. Therefore, acidic strength का order क्या? 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. Phenols are stronger acids than alcohols. Both alcohols and phenols contain same number of OH group. But OH group attached to benzene ring in phenols is more acidic than OH attached to alkyl group. This is due to resonance. Both phenols and phenoxides ion are resonance stabilized, and phenoxide ion is better stabilized than phenols. That's why phenols are stronger acids. But in case of alcohols or alkoxide ion, they are not. Alkoxide ion is less stable than alcohol. And phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. Next is esterification. Alcohols and phenols react with carboxylic acid or acid derivative, acid chloride or acid anhydrides. It forms esters. RCOH, that is carboxylic acid. When treated with alcohol, it forms esters, that is RCOO. R dash and H2O. For example, CH3COH, ethanoic acid, when react with ethanol, it forms plus H2O, that is ethyl ethanoate. With acid chloride, again it forms esters. With acid anhydride, it forms esters and carboxylic acid. If acid halide and anhydride used are acetyl chloride, that is CH3COCl, or acetic anhydride, then this process is known as acetylation. And this reaction is carried out in the presence of base pyridine to remove acid, that is HCl or acetic acid, produced during the reaction. Then with phenol and acetyl chloride, and phenols and benzoyl chloride. Now, reaction involving the cleavage of carbon-oxygen bond. Carbon-oxygen bond. ROH alcohol when react with halogen acid, it forms haloalkane and H2O. With HCl, in presence of zinc chloride, HCl and zinc chloride, it forms chloroethane, ethanol form chloroethane. Similarly, propane 2-ol with HCl and zinc chloride form 2-chloropropane. So 1 degree alcohol, it's 2 degree alcohol. HCl and zinc chloride, also known as Lucas reagent, is used to differentiate between 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. And this process is known as Groves process. And 3 degree alcohol, that is third butyl alcohol with HCl, react at room temperature and it forms 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. With HBr, hydrogen bromide, ethanol on reaction with HBr in presence of sulfuric acid, it forms bromoethane. This HBr is prepared during the reaction, that is in situ, by the reaction of KBr, potassium bromide and sulfuric acid. Now reaction with HI, ethanol on reaction with HI, it forms iodoethane. Iodoethane can be prepared during the reaction by potassium iodide and H3PO4. That is in situ. Reaction with phosphorus halides. First is reaction with PCl5. With PCl5, it forms क्लोरोएल्केन, ये हम ऑलरेडी सारी रिएक्शंस कर चुके हैं हेलो एल्केन्स के अंडर, with HCl, with HBr, with HI, now with PCl5, PCl3. ये हम सारी रिएक्शंस कहाँ पे की थी हमने, हेलो एल्केन्स चैप्टर में. Alcohol with phosphorus pentachloride, it formed chloroalkane and phosphorus oxychloride. For example, ethanol when reacted with phosphorus pentachloride, it formed chloroethane and phosphorus oxychloride and HCl. But with PCl3, that is phosphorus trichloride, it formed alkyl chloride and phosphorus acid for balancing 3 and 3. For example, propan-2-ol on reaction with PCl3, it formed 2-chloropropane and phosphorus acid. Similarly, with phosphorus tribromide and phosphorus triiodide, alcohols form bromo product and iodine. For example, propan-1-ol with PBr3 form 1-bromopropane and methanol formed with Pi3 form iodomethane. PBr3 prepared by phosphorus and bromine and Pi3 prepared from phosphorus and iodine. Next reaction is reaction with thionyl chloride. It is the best method for the preparation of chloroalkane because in this case both the side product are gaseous. Alcohols when react with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine, it forms chloroalkane. For example, ethanol when react with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine, it forms chloroethane, that is ethyl chloride with side product both are gaseous, sulfur dioxide and HCl.